Good morning students, I am Sunil and this is MS classes. So today I am here to teach you irrational number on a real number line. So first of all I will teach you what is a real number line. So let us come real number line. Real number line. If we draw a simple line and on this line here on left side all the numbers are negative and to right side of this line all the number will be positive. So this line is a real number line. Every type of number on this line. But in this topic I will teach you how to locate irrational number on this real number line. So first of all, what is irrational number? So irrational number, all the numbers under the root. So your question is locate irrational number under root 2 on the real number line. Okay, so your question is this: you have to locate under root 2 on the real number line. So first we draw a line and starting from point O, let OA is equal to 1 unit. OA is equal to 1 unit. Right? Now we draw a perpendicular on point A with the help of protractor, compass. This is 90-degree line and AB also equal to 1 unit. AB equal to 1 unit. So now we join BO. After joining BO or OB, we have a triangle, that is a right angle triangle at point A. So this is a right angle triangle here. In a right angle triangle OAB, we have to calculate the OB. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. That is OB is equal to square root of OA whole square plus AB whole square. So here Pythagoras theorem on the right angle triangle OAB, that is OB is equal to OA square plus AB square. We know OA is equal to 1 unit. So we will write in place of OA this is equal to 1 square. Also AB, that's again 1 unit. So 1 square. So we get 1 plus 1. This is equal to root 2. That's OB is equal to under root 2. Now taking center O, radius equal to OB, make an arc it cut OA at point P. So let us draw an arc by taking center O. Open your compass as radius OB. This is equal to this one and it cut on OA at point P. So guys, If OB is equal to under root 2, then OP also be equal to under root 2. So this way to represent irrational number on the number line. So guys, if we take one more example, if we have to draw under root 2, if we have to draw another irrational number on the same structure, that is under root 3. If under root 3 locate on the line, a real number line, then we have to make a perpendicular at point B by the help of compass or protractor and cut BC equal to 1 unit, and join OC. Again we have a right angle triangle O, B and C. Now in a right angle triangle OBC, apply Pythagoras theorem. That is, OC is equal to square root of OB square plus OC square, and you know OB is equal to under root 2, so this is under root 2 square. OC is equal to, this is we have to, sorry, this is not OC, this is equal to BC. So OC is equal to OB square plus BC square. So BC is equal to 1 unit again. If we square the square root of 2, this will become only 2 and plus 1. This is equal to under root 3. So we have OC is equal to under root 3. So this is OC. OC, this is equal to under root 3. By taking center, similarly, by taking center O and radius OC, draw an arc. It cut OA at point Q. So this is equal to Q point. Therefore, if OC is equal to under root 3, so OP is equal to, so OQ is equal to under root 3 and so on. In this way we can calculate or we can locate under root 5 on the same real number line. So guys, you know under root 2 and under root 3. What is the method to locate under root 2 and under root 3 on the real number line? This is very easy way. I think you have been understand this one. So our next topic is new. So I hope you will continuously watching my channel. So thank you. Have a nice day.